Have you ever wondered why the genetic code is so important or what happens when it changes? Welcome to the fascinating world of genetic mutations. Imagine the genetic code as a blueprint. It's a detailed plan that our cells use to build all the proteins our bodies need. But what happens when there's a typo in the blueprint? That's essentially what a genetic mutation is, a change, or typo, in our DNA sequence. These changes can have a range of effects, and today, we're going to delve into the different types of mutations and their impacts. First up, we have substitution mutations. Picture this: you are reading a book and you come across a word that's been replaced with another. It might change the meaning of the sentence or it might not. That's exactly how a substitution mutation works. It's when one base in the DNA sequence is replaced by another. Sometimes this doesn't affect the protein that's being made, but other times it can change the protein entirely. Next, we have deletion and insertion mutations. Deletion is when a base gets left out of the DNA sequence, like a word missing from a sentence. Insertion, on the other hand, is when an extra base gets added in. Both of these can cause what's known as a frame shift mutation. This is where the reading frame of the DNA sequence is shifted, and it can lead to a completely different protein being made. Now, these mutations don't always spell disaster. Sometimes they can lead to beneficial traits, but other times they can disrupt the cell cycle, leading to uncontrolled cell division. This is how some cancers develop. There's also a type of mutation known as non-disjunction. This is when chromosomes fail to separate properly during cell division. It can lead to cells with too many or too few chromosomes, which can cause a variety of health conditions. Lastly, we have chromosomal mutations. These are changes that affect whole chromosomes or large parts of them. These can be deletions, duplications, inversions, or translocations of large parts of DNA. These mutations can have a significant impact on an organism's traits. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the different types of genetic mutations. From simple substitutions to complex chromosomal mutations, these changes in our genetic code play a crucial role in the diversity of life on Earth. They can lead to new traits, health conditions, or even the development of cancer. Understanding these mutations is key to unlocking the mysteries of biology. So, the next time you think of your genetic code, remember it's more than just a blueprint. It's a dynamic, ever-changing document that shapes who we are.